Hello everyone and welcome to Cosmos Finance channel. In this video, we're going to talk about tips and tricks for maximizing your credit score. Having a good credit score is important for many things, from getting approved for loans and credit cards, to renting an apartment or even getting a job. But how can you improve your credit score and keep it high? Here are some tips and tricks to help you do just that. Before we dive into specific tips, it's important to understand how your credit score is calculated. Your credit score is based on several factors, including your payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, and types of credit used. Knowing this information can help you understand what areas you need to focus on to improve your score. Here are some tips for improving your credit score. Tip 1. Pay your bills on time. Your payment history is the most important factor in determining your credit score. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a payment. Tip 2. Keep your credit utilization low. Your credit utilization ratio is the amount of credit you're using compared to your credit limit. Aim to keep your utilization below 30% to maximize your score. Tip 3. Don't close old credit accounts. The length of your credit history is also an important factor. Keep your oldest accounts open, even if you're not using them. Tip 4. Monitor your credit report for errors. Mistakes on your credit report can negatively impact your score. Check your report regularly and dispute any errors you find. Section 3. Tricks for maintaining a high credit score. Now that you know how to improve your credit score, how can you maintain a high score over time? Here are some tricks. Trick 1. Keep your credit accounts active. Regularly using your credit accounts and paying them off in full can help keep your score high. Trick 2. Limit new credit applications. Applying for too much credit at once can be a red flag to lenders and negatively impact your score. Be strategic with new credit applications. Trick 3. Use credit monitoring services. Monitoring your credit score and report regularly can help you catch any issues early on and take action to maintain your score. Improving and maintaining a high credit score takes time and effort, but the benefits are worth it. By understanding how your credit score is calculated and following these tips and tricks, you can maximize your score and achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal finance and credit.